Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix ChatGPT is not available in your country. And here's how it is done. If ChatGPT is not available in your country, you can solve this by using a VPN. To do this, you will need to download and install a VPN extension for your browser. If you are using Google Chrome, go to the Chrome Web Store. If you are on Microsoft Edge, go to the Microsoft Edge Store. Each browser has its own store. For example, in the search bar of the Chrome Web Store, type Chrome Web Store and click the first link that shows up, which will direct you to chrome.google.com/webstore. Once there, search for a VPN. Click on Touch VPN, then click Add to Chrome and select Add Extension. You will see the VPN extension appear in the top right of your browser. If you want, you can pin the extension by clicking the cloud-like icon. Next, click on the Touch VPN icon and select your desired location. For this example, I will choose the best option and click Connect. The VPN will connect to a random server, and once connected, when you visit the ChatGPT website, it will be accessible. You can now log in, sign up, or use ChatGPT as usual. And that is everything you need to know about how to fix ChatGPT is not available in your country. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.